Eye contact. This is one of the skills that my clients actually find most difficult when it comes to camera. So when you're on camera, your eye contact for each individual person is here, right there, camera lens. Now it's counterintuitive because really what you want to do is look down here and look at people's faces and see how what you're saying is landing. But the camera lens is actually each individual person's eye contact. So when you speak to the camera lens, everybody's getting the love. Everybody individually is getting the love. So practice the discomfort, because I'm telling you, no matter how long you practice, I still have to remind myself to look at the camera lens. And it is not natural, but it is effective. Because each individual person is getting your attention. Each person feels like they are the center of your attention, which is exactly what you want because, remember, audiences are selfish. They want it all to be about them. So eye contact in the virtual world is that camera lens. Now, there's nothing that says you can't go down here, change it up, look at different people. That's absolutely fine. But this is home base here. This is home base. So change it up by all means. Look around, look at different people's faces. That's fine. But come back up and come back up to home base because this is where everyone gets your attention. Everyone individually feels like they're getting the love. Now, eye contact in an audience way is a little bit different live. So if you are on the bigger stages and you have the light in your eyes and you cannot see individual people, then cut it into sections. So you take center section, you take side section, and then you take another side section. So you can take sections rather than individual people and use those as your focal points. Now, if there's balconies, top balcony, side, and always look up in the balconies at some point because they love that. Because people in the balconies always feel like they get left out. So don't forget to spread the love up in the balcony too. Okay, so those are just a few very simple skills and techniques, little pointers, little tips that you can use to make more eye contact with your audience. All right, I will see you on the inside. Ciao, ciao.